in the middle of the repair. This big, show you the back. This big woofer here. This is a big subwoofer. So this is the Yorkville LS800P. So if you have one of these and stops working for whatever reason, check the woofer. This here has the original woofer, as you can see. They no longer make this, right? Can't get that from the manufacturer. So this here is the replacement I just received. As you can see, that's the model number. It's actually by LASE. So this is the replacement. If you look at them, we'll move it a little closer. If you kind of look at them side by side, look at them. See? Identical. So that means this is the original version that you could get from the company if you can't get it directly from Yorkville. It's almost like impossible getting parts directly with the manufacturer's sticker and everything. But most of these companies, they're literally getting the speaker from somewhere else. So if you could get the same speaker from somewhere else, you may end up getting a better deal. Anyway, we're gonna put this together, and just wanted to give you some tips in case you're going through the same issue and you need a replacement. Okay, now we have everything connected. We're ready for that test. And also I'm keeping everything low right in the middle. Master's pretty low, so let's hit play and bring the volume up slowly. Ooh, you hear that? I'm not gonna go any louder, but our problem has been solved.